This is a test. Oh, if I want to test, I should have probably actually open up like a little preview to ensure. Oh gosh, I forgot to remove the Sekiro face. Oh damn. Well, at least it seems like my voice is going through. That's good. Let me just bin this here, and I want a window capture, please. This will be VS Code. And then no, I would like main.dart. There we go. You should be right here. Alright, I think things are finally starting to look like the stars are aligning. Let me see here. Okay, so let's see. If I remove the I'll be right back. What? Ah, I gotta set up the thing. Otherwise it's just gonna go in and out. Yeah, let me see. Fade. There we go. Fade. Ah, that's much smoother. Okay. And it is. What did I just move? There we go. This we can move here. And in this, I probably need to make it a tiny bit bigger for the audience. Let me see how it looks on a small screen here. When my stream finally catches up. It's still kind of small, but it's so big for me. Yeah, okay, I'll make it a little bit bigger. Yo. Okay, I can work with this. It's not gonna be the prettiest thing, but I can. Where is the Android emulator? There we go. Can I pin? Whoa, my bad. There we go. Can I somehow pin you? I cannot. I'm just gonna have to be happy with you always being behind everything else. Yo, can I move you? There we go. Can I move you to the side? And let me just make sure I get all the messages in the live chat. There we go. Let me set my stream here to a low quality so I don't lose it when any like internet connections drop. Alright. I should still be able to see the chat perfectly fine. The other day I did have a weird thing where the chat didn't show up on my preview window, but it did show up on my live stream window in the browser. Not sure what happened there. Alright, can I minimize absolutely everything? Because I'm being overwhelmed by how many things are currently open. Okay, that's better. Alright, so brief overview of what I've been working on for a while now. So this is a very, 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 very simple app. It's a grocery list app. It's that simple. Pretty much, you go in, you add what you want, whether it be bread or I don't know, pretty much whatever you want. Can I not scroll it? Oh, is there not enough to scroll? Oh wait, yeah, okay, there we go. Okay, so scrolling down, so just making sure. So you add what you want, whether it be bread or whatnot. Let's say your parent is going out to buy something, right? And you're sitting here, you're waiting, like, okay, I need X and Y, but I'm not gonna go out. My parents are the one going to go out. Or it could be a gaming thing as well. Put to-do list here, you share with your friends. Pretty much the whole idea is you have a list of things that you share with other people. So right here, they can go, okay, I have went out and I got myself, let's just make this bread. There we go. Bread. Yeah, okay. So here we have bread. Now, parents going out, they just go do some shopping. They say, okay, I got the bread. The bread is now in the basket. There you can see, there's the bread. When something's in the basket, you click on it, it goes poof, it is deleted. I don't know if it's actually being deleted. I don't. That might just be a stock like message. I should just go check. I don't think it's being deleted. It might just be marked as deleted. I'm just gonna have to check. But anyhow, so when they bought it, you know. And then again, when you need something again, you put it in needed, and a bunch of people can share this. So that's the whole idea behind the app. It's so that you can have like a shared channel of everything. Yeah. So the idea pretty much came because my parents live with me. So I'm renting them a little place here. But I don't like to do shopping. And I don't see why it's not a benefit if they want to go do shopping and they just do mine as well. I say I need bread. Bread's there. They go out. They bring back bread. Done. Makes my life so much easier because they don't have to remember. I don't have to remember to do it, and I don't have to go out to do it myself. Okay. Now that we have that, what are our goals for today? So, let me actually just make sure what we have everything on the checklist here. What's on the checklist? Because I know what I want to do, but I don't know if it's in the ready yet. Okay, so it is on the checklist. We want to, when somebody adds something to the item, send a push notification to the phone. Or to other people. This is of course an opt-out or opt-in situation. So if you don't want to receive notifications, I don't want to send you notifications. I'm not sure how that's gonna work. Pretty much we're using Firebase for this whole thing. So I'm completely unsure of how that's gonna work, but we will find out. Both other things here, so allow user to leave a basket. I'm not gonna do that on stream, that I'll do on my own. And remove user access from basket. That I'll also do on mine. Okay, so today we are on the notifications. Let me just go to Firebase. No, I am this email. Go to console. Ew, I was thinking today when you are going to stream, finally. Hey, yeah, I am back, I am streaming, I am ready to rumble. It's been so long. Okay, now I wonder. Now, I'm pretty new to Firebase, so now I just have to figure out how to send a push notification from Firebase. I do have like some code in here already that should be able to handle some of it, aka this awesome notifications. Actually, I should just go look at their documentation. I'm pretty sure they have added support for it, so the documentation might actually tell me how to do it. Okay, so plugin is under development. Yeah, I do not mind. Firebase. I might as well show you guys what I'm doing here. Okay, so where is OBS? Let me just open up Brave. Do I have Brave? I do have Brave. Okay, my history is cleared. I do not have to worry. Just in case, you never know. Alright, so here let's just yoink it and say window capture, Brave, and we want to select, there are so many open windows, properties for Brave. What the heck does that mean? There we go, I think that. Alright, so here, and let me just, and I don't think anybody can see anything right now. What's happening here? Oh wait, my stream is just behind it. Okay. So let's take a look here. We are looking for Firebase. Deprecated support for Firebase messaging plugin. The support for Firebase messaging plugin is now deprecated. Oh. You need to use the awesome FCM add-on plugin to achieve Firebase cloud messaging features without violating the platform rules. This is the only way to fully integrate awesome notifications with... Oh. Looks like we're awesome notifications FCM here too. Wait, don't I have FCM? pub spec. Yeah, here, FCM. Okay, now I'm good. So I already have it. I don't think then it's I don't think it's an issue then. Okay, let's see. Now here they're saying add awesome notifications to PubSpec YAML, and in here, in case you intend to use push notifications of your awesome packages. Okay, I can add that. So we need a Firebase core. I do believe we have the Firebase core. Let me just add a transition here as well, since I'll probably be transitioning that very often. Yeah, that's better. Okay. So let's take a look. PubSpec YAML. Yeah, they're Firebase. We have the core. What else do we need? Crash Analytics. I don't have that currently, but that could be a pretty good thing to add. Since we're already using Firebase, why not use their Crash Analytics as well? And you have Firebase messaging. I don't think we have that, no. Alright, let me look for that. Firebase PubSpec, or whatever it is, pub.dev. Yeah. And let me just... So we're looking for Firebase messaging. Okay, Flutter plugin to use the Firebase Cloud Messaging API. To learn more about Firebase Cloud Messaging, please visit the Firebase website. Alright, so here we have the send notifications across platforms. And they have literally no documentation. Of course, why would Firebase put any documentation that's easy to find? You need to go inside of 10 different websites to find anything you want. Okay, let me just copy that and throw this in here. That should install the dependency for us. And in here, view docs. And we're using Flutter. Okay, I'm not building this for iOS, so I'm okay with skipping that. Android. FCM clients require devices running Android or higher. Okay, we are just supporting Android 10, so that's and higher, so that's okay. After around Play Services SDK should always check the device for compatible Google Play Services APK before accessing Google Play Services feature. It's recommended to do this in two places: the main activity on Create, and I have literally no idea what you're talking about right now. If the device doesn't have a compatible version of Google Play Services, your app can call to allow users to download Google Play Services from the Play Store. I literally have no idea what any of this means, to be honest. I'm just gonna skip it. If it's a problem, it's a problem. If it's not a problem, then A. Okay, that's just like a note, I'm guessing. Okay, so here we have installed it. I have done that. To send messages to a specific device, you need to know the device registration token, because you'll need to enter the token in a field in the notification console. To complete this tutorial, make sure to copy the token securely, store it at your tree. Okay. Okay, I'm not gonna worry about that. I don't want to take a look. Anyway, thing is, I guess we should store it in the database. Like each user should have their token stored under their account, I'm assuming. Okay. That's very... But okay, I guess it makes sense then if someone specific requests it, then you have their device. So should we set it like every time they start up the app? Like, does it ever change? No, I don't think it will. I think it just changes per device. So then I would reset their device, then I think it would change. Okay. And we set the permission request to provincial, which allows the user to choose what type of notifications they would like to receive once the user receives notification. Okay. For Apple platforms, ensure the APNs token is available. Okay. Let's try it out, and I'm gonna stop this since I need to rerun it anyways. And let's see here. So here we initialize the app. How about if we view the baskets, just as an example, we try and do a thing with it. So here in the init state, Firebase messaging, let's just import it. Dot on background message dot instance dot get token. Okay, so here we want to get the token. Returns the default FCM token for this device. On web, a Vapid key is required. Okay, I'm not on web, so that's not an issue. Okay, and we don't want to wait, so let's actually just go dot then. I don't really care too much. Let me say print on value, which is potentially a string. And what's, oh, there we go. And then here, there's also maybe just so we know where we are, print. Like true developers, we are not gonna put any breakpoints. We're just gonna throw that there. Okay, let's hope for the best. Oh wait, I'm not even showing my code right now. What the heck? My bad. Freaking brave. Okay, let's go to main again and just rerun this. I should add like a hotkey for the brave, because that's gonna get me. Let's see. Do I have a hotkey for this? How do you add a hotkey? I have no idea. I did it once, but for the life of me, I would not remember how I did it. Alright, let's try this again. See what we get. So now, I should just maybe go look at my debug console. Oh, look at this. This is, okay, so this is whatever it is. I don't know if this has any like important things I should maybe not show on stream, but I don't know. It's anyways like an emulator. I don't think it's gonna matter that much. Okay, let's see here. So we did get it. If we view it here, can we do it on main as well? Can we do it here? And the only little Firebase thing is here. Assign. Oh wait, but they don't have an account yet necessarily. Actually, then putting it here would actually just be best for right now. I'm not too worried about clean code. I just want to get the code ready. Because once it's in, I can clean it up and I can fix it up. I usually like to just throw it in, and after that, clean it. Okay, so we do get the value. I'm pretty sure I can async this, right? I don't think init state will complain. Oh wait, I don't think they like that. Yeah, no, I don't think they like that. Handle load data, maybe in there. But I think this is also called, yeah, on multiple other places. Future void handle init. There we go. Code that should only run once during init. And it should of course be async. And then we can await this. Final token is equal to, and then there we go, and now we should get a token or nothing. Now what we should be doing is going to models, user, and right here we should maybe save their current device ID. My thing is, what if they have multiple devices? Should I save it in a list? Saving it in a list could future-proof it. But But do I want to future-proof it like that? Is it really necessary? This is mostly not going to be used outside of my family, and my family, they all use one phone. Because then the issue is, if they get another phone and they install it on both phones, only the newest phone will, or actually the last phone they used. You know, I actually think it's fine. Device. Device notification. Notification ID. This is the ID we use to identify the user for Firebase notification messaging. Let me just maybe, there we go. And then of course we can just say this dot device notification ID, and then the from JSON. I can just do that. Okay. And then just give me a second. I'm just gonna confirm I don't have anything here. Okay, no, I am good. Okay, so then we want to build. Okay. I think it is in the README. Yeah, there we go. Resolving dependencies in because groceries depend on Flutter test from SDK, which doesn't exist. Flutter SDK not available. Version solving failed. Let me just maybe create a new. There we go. There we go. Use .run. I did, but you complained. Flutter on Linux is so confusing. I kid you not. Like, if you saw the last stream, it's insanely confusing working with Flutter. At least I got it working, but gee whiz. Okay, there we go. I want to go back to debug console. That's most important at the moment. Okay, then right here we can just throw handle in it. Right here. Should it run before or after handle? You can actually even throw the handle load state in here. I don't see a reason why not to. Yeah, then we can just maybe, for easily readable code, just do that. Now we can load the data first, await, and then after we've loaded the data, we can do this. Go away. Okay, let's try it. And in here we want to save the token to the user. I don't know if that's going to be like very heavy on the database if you save it every single time. But is it really worth to first check and then only save? I don't think it's going to make a difference then. Okay, let's go just here and say, I could not remember how to save data. Let me just quickly go back here. Firebase create ref, yeah. Update, there we go. I'm just gonna yoink this and then plop it in here. Okay, so here we check. Okay, we can just go if underscore user is null, return, because then we don't care. Otherwise, if they're not null, we do know what their user ID is. And let's also check something here. Okay, so we do know what their user ID is then, and then we create their new user data. Where are we getting this? Oh, it's from here. It's from the real-time database. New user data becomes user data. Oh, I don't trust that. Not in init. I would trust it outside of init, but I do not trust that in init. Huh. Okay, but it could be it could be null. Let's go if this or this is null. Okay. If either of these two are null, then we return. However, if this one here is not null, I'm just scared this data has not yet loaded by this point here. But let's run it and see if it works, because it might. So let's see here. We don't care about that. New user data dot is equal to token. Whoa, what the heck? Stop typing wrong. We can also check if token actually exists, because if token is null, we don't need to do any of this. Because why would we want to, you know, put pressure on Firebase if we don't necessarily have to? So just, if token is null, skip it. However, nah, I don't think that matters. My bad. I think we're good. Then we just want to set this right here, and then we update it right here, and then we could say could not link device. The user will have no idea what that means. Okay, but I can fix that afterwards. So right now I just want to get it to work. Okay, let's see if it works. So where's my emulator? Here we go. And if it does work, I just want to print yeah. I remember I did this in a coding interview. That was very funny. You know when you and your interviewer freaking clicks, you just know. Okay, now I cannot reload this. I think if I go in here. Oh, but we generated new things as well, so we need to restart it anyways. Run. And now we wait. You know, we could actually... There's supposed to be thunderstorms playing, but it's so soft I can't even hear it. We can actually go here and also add a window capture. PC panel, just to get like that weird black bar away from this bottom of the screen. There we go. And we can just drag it to the bottom. There we go. I'm literally building out my whole PC on the stream right now. That's insane. Let me just throw you here at the bottom. Nobody needs to be bothered with you. Alright, I gotta end the stream at it's now 4, so around 5:30/6. So we still got the good time. So let's see here. What are all of these? There we go. Oh, we're getting errors. Let's see. Type null, not of subtype string in cast. Go away. Let me see. Did I not say string? I did say string question mark. Okay, where is it complaining? User dart 34. 34. Oh, my bad. Ah, of course. Dart is both awesome and just sucky wacky at the same time. Okay, now I gotta rebuild that whole thing. Flutter pub. Also, I found a pretty cool thing about Flutter is you can change which branch you're working on. Of course, it doesn't work as easily on Linux, but it is pretty cool. Because I was trying to run an app I found on GitHub. But yeah, it used like a different branch of Flutter, which you can change with like Flutter checkout or something. Which is pretty darn cool, but because of how things work on Linux, it's a little bit wobbly. I think it's just how I installed it. If you install it differently, it might work. Okay, now let's try this again. And I love Flutter so much. I'm just so tired of React. I've been coding React for years now. I'm just exhausted. I want to code Flutter now. I want to code something else. I'd even go C++ at this point. But I mean, React, I love React because it's so fast and easy. But, you know, I guess it did work. Let me just go check on Firebase if I do see it. Firebase. Real-time database. Let's see. We have users, and then now I have to find my user. I should give my user like a special, unique ID so I always know who it is. Okay, so I do have my device notification ID and nobody else does. Okay. Well, let me just quickly check my WhatsApps. I'm trying to check them ever so slightly more. A good thing that is not streaming, that would get me cancelled immediately. Okay, so let's see here. So it did work. We do have that ID now. Now that we have that ID, let's check where it... everything's so confusing right now. I want to be on here. Okay, now let me just share my screen again. Brave, there we go. Okay, so we now can confirm, in fact, we do get that token. Okay, now we may set the permissions request, which is okay, I don't really care, but I guess we have to. Do we do this on App Startup? I think we do. Let's see. Okay, this song sucks. I'm gonna skip it. Alright, so I do think we set it around here. Oh, but we get something in return. Okay, do we do anything with this? Do they tell us if we do anything with it? It doesn't actually look like it. Let me just yoink this. Let's see. I don't think we have to worry about that. So then here we have an on refresh. To be notified whenever the token is updated, subscribe to token refresh stream. When will the token be updated? That's my question. When, why, and how? Like, why will it be updated? What causes it to update? That's my question. What causes a Firebase notification token to update? Okay, the registration token may change when the app is restored to a new device, or the user uninstalls or reinstalls. Okay, but since we set it whenever they open up the app, does this matter? Does it matter if I set this? I don't think it does. Since if their token changes even while they're using the app, they say it could be important, but I think if somebody contacts me and says it's an important feature that they want because they've noticed they don't receive notifications when they do AX. I don't understand when this will happen. Why it needs to be listened to. That's what I can't understand. It's so weird. But I might look at this a little bit further later, just so I can understand why. I don't want to stop the stream in its tracks. So let's, for now, keep on. Okay, disable analytics collection and FCN auto initialization. Okay, I don't want to disable it. Prevent auto initialization. Re-enable FCM auto init at runtime. To enable auto init for a specific app instance, call set auto. What are all these? I don't know what these are supposed to be. Let's just send a test message and see what happens. Okay, so we did add it. We did get the token. And still run the app. Make sure the app is in background on all the devices. In Firebase console, open the messaging page. Okay. Yeah, I ain't gonna share the console, but I will explain what is happening. I might share it if it looks safe. And let's see, where do I find that? Is it account messaging? Is that? Let me actually just open this messaging page. Where is that taking us to? Project messaging. I gotta sign in. I'm not gonna sign in right now. Okay, let me just copy this. Copy link address. Throw it on there. I think. Okay, so I think I'm at the right place. Let's say create first campaign maybe. Firebase notification messages, Firebase in-app messages. Send an in-app message to get active users in your app to subscribe, watch videos, complete level. I don't think we care about that. I think we care about notifications. Send a notification message to instantly notify. I might share this. Why not? Let me share this. It looks fine. Window capture, Vivaldi. I don't have any weird tabs open, right? No, okay. Yeah, let's see here, Vivaldi. I kid you not, there are so many freaking things open at the moment. Yeah, here we go, Vivaldi. So pretty much we have this. I'm gonna choose this. I'm gonna hide it again just in case they give me like some sort of token I should not be sharing. Okay, I can share it again. Let's see here. Key event measurement and most target. But wait, what if I want to automate this? Then we can go back to Brave. Does it have an option to allow us to automate it? Handling integration. Send message, go beyond notification messages. Like, I think that's like an issue for later. I think that's what they're trying to tell us. Okay, so let's go here. Hello world. Watashi wa very smart desu. Oh, I can include an image. I can upload it. Oh, I gotta upload it to a bucket. Gross. Okay, never mind. Notification name. Baka baka baka. Okay, I don't think that really does anything. I don't know what they're supposed to use to identify notifications on Firebase. Name is not shown to users. Okay, yeah. Now, I'm just gonna, again, hide just in case. Go next. Okay. Go next. Send to eligible users now. Okay, go next. All fields are optional. Enable sound. Expires in 0 weeks. I don't know what that means. Expires in 1 week. Oh, okay. It's how long they should be kept for delivery before they are thrown away. Okay. Let me just review that. Unable to reserve a user property for notification. Like, I don't know what that means, but okay. We should receive a notification right now. Where is OBS? There's OBS. I've received nothing. It may take a while. Let's just give it a second. It may take a very long while, I'm assuming. Why exactly did we need the user details? Because I didn't have to enter it anywhere there. In the field labeled, add an FCM registration token. Wait, it came through. I heard something. Hey, look at that. Look at that. We got it to work. That's pretty cool. Hey, it worked on all the devices. Now everybody's gonna see my funky Japanese stuff. Okay, I did not think it's gonna work on the devices that didn't have it. Oh gosh. Oh, that's gonna be so embarrassing. Okay. But I can confirm it sent it to everyone. Literally everyone. Okay, but that was actually easier than I thought. Compared to using the real-time database, that was like super easy. Huh. Interesting. Now, how do I programmatically implement this? Hey, you can have up to 10 recurring notifications. That's cool. I can repeatedly remind people to subscribe to my YouTube channel and then to join the members tab, I guess, until they do. Either that or uninstall the app. Like, I wouldn't be evil like that. Actually, that's pretty cool. Let me just share my Brave again. So I'm wondering if handle integration, when users tap on a notification, the default behavior on both is to open the application. If the application is terminated, it will be started. Okay, so pretty much if we were to click on save notification, it just opens the app. Makes sense. Okay, so let's see here. Depending on the content of the notifications, you may want to handle user interaction when a notification opens. For example, okay, no, I don't care about that. I might care about that, but I first want to figure out how to do it programmatically. Receive messages. Depending on the device state, incoming messages are handled differently. To understand these scenarios and how to integrate them into your application, it's important to establish the various states the device can be in: the foreground, the background, and terminated. I know what all of those three means. They're pretty self-explanatory. There are a few preconditions which must be met before the application can receive messages of payloads via FCM. Must have OPN open at least once. Makes sense. On Android, if the user force quits the app from device settings, so force stops it, yeah, it must manually be reopened for a message to start working. Yes, that is what I do with Duolingo before they start threatening me again. Alright, so let's see here. On iOS... Okay, but I already have permissions. As if it's in the foreground, it will tell you. I'm not going to care too much about that right now. Here's the background handler. Okay. I don't care about web. Let's see. Display images. I'm not caring about images right now. You can subscribe to specific topics. That could be useful because the app might want different topics. For example, users of a local tide forecasting app could opt into a tide currents alert topics and receive notifications of optimal saltwater fishing conditions. Users of a sports app could subscribe to an automatic updates and live game scores. Topic messages is best suited for content such as weather or other publicly available information. Topic messages are optimized for throughput rather than latency, for fast, secure delivery, single devices or small groups of devices. When you send messages to multiple devices per user, consider device group messaging. Okay, but how can I send a message from code? I don't care about any of this right now. Because when someone adds an item to the basket, right, we want some code to trigger that will send a notification to other people of the basket that, hey, I'm still blushing of the message I sent. I literally sent it to my whole family right now. And my whole friend group. Oh my word. Who knows, even my crush probably has the app. Who knows at this point. Okay. Erase the memory. It's a cringy memory now. Let's see. Firebase send notification from code. Why is it dark mode now? Anyhow, it's much better anyways. In navigation bar, click notifications. Any device, advanced messaging targeting, customized notification content. No coding required for sending notifications, but I want to do the coding. Wait. There was coding required. I need to implement it. Oh wait, I didn't. I just needed to add Firebase because the other devices all got them. Okay, no, they didn't lie. Okay, understandable. Wait, maybe awesome notifications has something for it. Firebase. Nope, that's the last dimension of Firebase. let's see here. Okay, let me maybe check here on Firebase if it has any like other guides just lying about. Gemini and Firebase included in Gemini Code Asset Licenses purchases in Cloud Billing. No, I do not want to pay for AI. I'm good, I'll just figure it out myself. Let's see here. Can I close this message? New experiment. New campaign. What's the difference? Oh, okay, so an experiment will run up to 90 days. Click/open is 0%. Huh. Yeah, makes sense. I'm the only person who's done that. I don't think they have any other guides. I have no idea what to do. I can send a notification message from Firebase or from Flutter to Firebase to be sent to everyone else. I said maybe writing a cloud function is what's being given to me here. Oh my word. Please don't tell me it's gonna cost me money. I'm poor. Let's see here. See all build features, yes. Okay, let's see. App check, app hosting, authentication, Cloud Firestore, data connect, extensions, functions. Yes, I think we want that. Okay, let me share my screen again. I think we are Gucci for right now. Reduce functions, upgrade your project. Ah, my gosh, I knew it. Okay, I knew it. Never mind. Let's see here. This is some hardcore thinking I have to do. Let me think. Brain, you can make it. Just give me a second. Okay, project settings has a cloud messaging option. Web push certificates. Web-based cloud messaging can use application identity. Okay, no, I don't care about that. Cloud messaging API, which is legacy. If you are an existing user of the Cloud Legacy HTTP API, which has been deprecated last year, you must migrate to Firebase Cloud Messaging API. Learn more. Okay, I think we might still be able to make it. Let me just see. Let's Google that. Why not? Firebase Cloud Messaging API. Provides cross-platform messaging solutions. Blah 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 blah. Okay, at no cost. Yes, this is the words I want. No cost. Let's see here. A discovery document is a machine-readable specification used to build cloud libraries, ID plugins, and okay. Is it important though? Service endpoint. A service endpoint is a base URL that specifies a network address. That's all? What? Okay. Yo. Okay, what are we looking at? Okay. It was weird because it wasn't ticked by default. Yo, okay, I have no idea what that. Let me just read that. Like it says, JSON for describing and consuming REST APIs. It is used to build client libraries, ID plugins. Okay, then this FCM. Yeah, let's take a look at this. Create. I should have just I should have just looked at this. I don't know why I didn't just look at this from the start. Of course, I should just look at this. Attention, from Firebase Messaging plugin. This plugin is a replacement for Firebase Messaging, built specifically to share and use all awesome notification features. Because of it, it contains features available in Firebase Messaging, plus all features. So you must not use this with this. Okay. So we should uninstall this one right here. Okay. Why can't this guy just put his like freaking list of things up here so I didn't have to scroll all the way down? Okay. Getting started. This okay. Not necessary. Awesome notifications replacement. Okay. So let's remove Firebase Messaging, I guess. That's Vivaldi, that's why. There we go. And let me just also do a global search on that. PubSpec. Let's remove this. Replaced by. There we go. What is this called? Awesome notifications. FCM, I'm assuming. Get token dot toString dot no such method dot. Okay. Let me just maybe quickly go read what they said about migration. Make Brave faster. Free up memory for inactive tabs. Okay, I'm happy with that. What? Did it just... How to... Oh, okay, they have like a link to it, I guess. How to migrate. There we go. Firebase dot request permissions becomes... Okay. Okay, so they want us to, I'm thinking, go like this and then say dot initialize dot get dot toString. Maybe it is initialize. Oh, okay, no, I don't know what to put in there. Is it even necessary to get the token? That's my question. Is this even necessary? I don't think it is. You know what? For right now, I don't think you are. I don't like that it does that. I don't think you are necessary. So what I'm gonna do is this. What's being called here? Same here. I think we can remove you. And you. In fact, we can probably remove this as well. But I'll maybe just keep it in there for right now. Alright, so let's try. Oh, we're at the bottom again. Let's try setting it up now. So we need auto notifications core. Do we have core? I think we do have core. Yes, we do have core. We need Firebase core and crash analytics. I'll install it, I guess. Required by... There we go. I hate it when people don't actually add comments to say what they're doing with their dependencies. Because later on you have like a bunch of dependencies, and if you want to clean them up, now you have to go figure it out yourself. To use auto notification FCM and retrieve push notifications using all awesome features. First, you need to enable Firebase in your... Okay, I did do that. Okay, this is all for iOS, I think. Yeah. Okay, creating Firebase project and sending push notification. Okay. Requesting Firebase token. There's two ways to send push notification. Getting the FCM token generated by Firebase. So, okay, so that's what I just removed. This token is unique to each user, device, app installed. Also, this token can be renewed by Firebase at any time. Sending a multicast messages to a topic, and this is what I think I'm going to focus on, because a topic could be something like, I don't know if it can be auto-generated, but if it can, each topic can be related to a basket. So a person could have multiple topics they're linked to, and then they could receive that topic. To send notifications, you first need to initialize Firebase automatic FCM, and then okay, that's all boring. Initialization methods. Here we get to the code. What am I looking at here? So here we initialize remote notifications. This license key is necessary only to remove the watermark for push notifications in release mode. To know more about it, please visit. Oh no, don't tell me it costs money. No, I don't want that. I don't know. I don't want to know. No, thank you. Okay, let's see here. My silent data handle this method to execute on background when silent data arrives, even while terminated. That's kind of sketch, but I like it. To use this method to detect when a new FCM token is received. Use the method to detect when a new native token is received. Okay, I'm just gonna copy all of this, I guess. I don't really know if any of this is really important. It feels like it's cut from somewhere because it's indented a little bit. Look at this. Is there some code up here I'm missing? Wait, let me just quickly take a look here. awesome some notifications. FCM dot init. It just has initialize, doesn't have. Okay, what about this one? Dot initialize. Okay, I think we should add this somewhere. I don't know where. Do they tell us where? And then not always possible to generate a FCM token. This process depends on internet connection. Yeah, okay, makes sense. My brain is starting to die from this. There's so much documentation. Oh my word. OBS. The expected type. Data is... Okay, cool. They're just literally throwing information at me. But okay, I can figure it out. It's easy enough. I don't want to. I'm too lazy right now. But I will figure it out anyways. To utilize all the features available in push notification, you can use one of the free standards available. JSON, data standard, legacy protocol. Okay, let's skip that then. V1 protocol or flattened data V1 protocol. It contains a lot more things. I'm just gonna go with this. Oh, okay. It contains the same things, but easier to digest, I guess. Okay, so you have your token. You have your priority. APN. Okay, I don't really know what all of this means, but I'll figure it out at some point. Badge 42 title, and we have a body, and in data, I don't know. A lot of this just looks like duplications of this, like mutable content as an example. I'm assuming. Oh, but this is an ID. Okay, and then we have the badge, which is repeated multiple times. Where is this documentation so I can read up on what all of this means? Okay, but I gotta scoot in like 8 minutes. So I think. Okay, but we made some progress. At least we can send notifications. So next up, in the next stream, I'll probably implement this. I might even be able to stream tomorrow. Then we can finish it. I'll just have to check, but I should be able to stream tomorrow. Then we can finish this and actually send it easily. From the code. And we can try and link it to be a topic. I don't know, do we have like a topic here somewhere? Not something that is very obvious. So it might be here, but I can't see it very quickly. And I'm assuming this token is to identify the user sending it. So if you go to Firebase, you can see who sent that notification. Yes, I'm just trying to think. I don't have time to implement it right now, but I can't think of how we'd go about implementing it. Hey, we could just try to have a Postman. Oh wait, I don't think I have it installed. Nope, I do not have Postman installed. I'll install that later too. Then we can actually test it out with Postman, because this could be kind of cool. I should just install it. We can actually try and test it out right now. I have so many terminals open. Okay, let's open another one. Pacman search, and we want Postman. Pacman does not have Postman. Okay, let's try Flatpak. Oh, okay, let me just increase the size so I can actually see what's happening. Flatpak has it. Okay, Flatpak install Postman. Okay, I don't want to download things during stream, preferably. But okay, I'll just run that after stream. Because that could be a cool experiment. I mean, like, throw this into Postman and actually see it go through from the code. Then if it works, like if I've thrown my token in here and it works as expected, we could literally just write a little piece of code to create this whole thing for us. And we can just like put a message in here with like no extra effort. We could probably like remove all of this, and I'm not using iOS. Or not supporting it at least. I'm so happy I found this freaking package. It's gonna save me so much time in the future. To send FCM push notifications using Postman, you're gonna need to request a valid bearer token using the OF 2.0 playground. Okay. Choose step 1. Click Authorize API. On step 2, click over Exchange Authorization Code for Tokens. I just copy the access token value and set it as the bearer token. Where do we put the bearer token? Is it this? No, it wouldn't be here, would it? I don't think it will be there. It might be there. Wait, bearer token. Yo, I haven't worked with APIs in a while. No, that wouldn't be a get item. No. I think it has its own field in Postman. I'll just have to check. Meteor has spoiled me too much. Sending silent push notifications. License key. Okay, so local notifications is 100% free. For push notifications, 2 types of license keys are available, each catering different needs. Okay, so it's going to pretty much include a watermark. That's what it's saying. Price $5 per app. Ouch. Do you know how weak my currency is? That's literally going to make me broke, but it's fine. Premium license, full 1-year support. Okay, and this one I'm assuming is forever. Requires a new license for updates or new releases. So I'm gonna have to cash out 5 buckaroonies every time. But why does it cost money? Is it because it's just to support it, or is it that there's a service that needs to be paid? Why do we need to buy a license? Because if there's a service that needs to be paid, why not just direct us directly to that service? If it's for donation purposes, why not just give me a donation link? I do my donation every now and again. I've donated to multiple people. But I guess $5 per app isn't that bad. I can do it. Like, is there going to be a new license key every year? So I'm going to have to, when this version of the code inevitably becomes deprecated, am I going to have to cash out again? And looking at our economy, like, just continuously falling, I'm a little bit scared. But make this in like a cheaper currency, please. No, I'm just kidding. I'll pay that. That's not a big issue. If it works, I'll happily pay it. Okay, that's my stream time, but that was very fun. Anybody got any questions or anything they want to talk about before I go? Because now is your shot, your chance to ask away or to do whatever you want to do while I'm still here. wait for responders, I will just close all of these open applications. Oh, would you look at that? The music actually ended at their perfect time as well. Okay, let me just close all of these as well. Oh gosh, how do I stop this phone from running? I don't actually know how. Do I need to open up Android Studio again? Yes, Vivaldi is based. I love Vivaldi so much. Like the tiling tab thing, I don't know why other browsers haven't. Oh, damn. Sorry for the wait. That's my dad. He's so based. He's the nicest person who's ever existed. Wait, damn, how do I stop this phone from running? I literally can't. Oh damn. Do I have a power off like button somewhere? I do not. Do I just have to reboot? Oh wait, I could just, okay, that works too. Alright, let's see, what's the chat saying? Vivaldi is based. Yes, it is very based. Tiling is awesome. What's your OS? I am currently running Endeavour OS. For the stream, I am using Budgie desktop environment. Just for the stream, because using i3 is a little bit wonky when you want to stream and you only want to share some things. Because every time you move to a new workspace, everything's just black on the stream, unfortunately. Alright, thank you all for watching. I think this is where I'm gonna have to scoot. It was fun. I did enjoy this stream quite a lot. Thank you all for watching. I do hope you all enjoyed, and I will see you all again in either the next stream or the next video.